Hey guys, so I'm going to tell you why I use these and what I like about them. So first of all, my family, we're really sensitive to different smells. So we try lots of different odor absorbers um, for different places around the house. These ones particularly, I like to use them in the bathrooms and in the laundry room. Tuck them away on like different places, like under the table or on the counters. So really all over the place throughout the house. They're good for about 450 square feet. So I think we go a bit overkill with them, but they do seem to do a good job. Another place, we also put them in the car sometimes, which is one of the things I really like, because if I take the lid off here, you see it's kind of I don't know, a gel, and it has some activated carbon on top. So sometimes if it tips over, like you can see, it doesn't come out. So I really like that it doesn't spill, but it still has this screw-on lid here, so you don't get stuff that falls in there either. Right, so again, this particular one, it's unscented, and I like that because we have like candles or whatever other scent you want in your house. It doesn't mix with it and cause some weird other type odor, right, or smell. So I really like that about them. Again, it's supposed to last for about 90 days. I haven't quite had them 90 days yet, but I mean, so far they're going strong, and I think they'll easily last for that time. So for the value of them and what they really do for me and my family, I think it's really excellent, and I highly recommend them.